Thank you for watching the Lewisville Autoplex YouTube channel. You're looking at a 2007 GMC Sierra 2500 HD SLT with a custom lift. It features a Duramax 6.6-liter turbo diesel V8 engine. We perform a quality 125-point inspection, which means that your pre-owned vehicle will be in top condition when you drive it home. We are a Carfax Advantage dealer committed to offering Carfax reports with every used car that we sell. This truck features a custom 6-inch suspension lift kit. This vehicle has many features including an auxiliary input, heated front seats, 4-wheel drive, carbon fiber interior accents, a powered sunroof, premium leather interior, and much more. Call us today at 1-888-788-7721 or visit us online at lewisvilleautoplex.com.